Good morning, everybody. Myself Sachin Pawar. Dear students, in the today's lecture, we learn the valuation of inventories, yes, which is a part of that accounting standards, and which is also syllabus part for become second sem students. Yes. Then, dear students, all of you know that there are 32 Indian accounting standards. Yes, so there are 32 Indian accounting standards are there. So among that 32, the second standard, that is second accounting standard, that is accounting standard second, it explains about the valuation of inventories. Yes, the accounting standard second is explain about the what? The valuation of inventories. Yes, so inventories is nothing but stock. Yes, inventory is nothing but what? The stock. Yes. So from this concept, so one question is compulsory. Yes, for the problematic for the become second sem students. Yes. So before going through the problematic, first of all we see the background of that. That means first of all we see the meanings of that, the concepts of the valuation of inventories. Yes. So now we see the meaning of that inventory. See what is that means. See, inventory is nothing but stocks. Yes. So what? Inventory is nothing but what? Stocks. The next what he says, see, all the business firm, all the business firm keep, all the business firm keep the stocks to meet its future requirements. All the business firm keeps what? The stocks. All the business firm keeps the stock to meet its future requirements of production and sales. Yes, that means the take as every business organizations, they keep the stocks, or they keep the material into stocks for the future requirements of that production as well as sales. Yes, for this purpose the warehouses are maintained in this concept. Okay, so the next, see, the bulk of capital is locked up in inventories. Yes, so what he says, see, the bulk is nothing but huge is nothing but what? The large. That means the large amount of capital, the capital is locked up in inventories. Is locked up in inventories is nothing but is invested in where? In inventories. Yes, that means the large amount of capital invested in where? In the inventories. Okay, so that is about 60% of the working capital. Yes, so we know that the total capital structure of the business organization is categorized into two types. One is a fixed capital, another one is a working capital. Yes, so from that working capital, about 60% of the working capital is invested in where? In where in means in inventories. Yes, inventory is nothing but what? Stocks. Yes. So then sometimes 2 marks question will be asked from this concept. Yes. So then what do you mean by the inventories? Then write this one. Yes. So then next, another question arises from this concept, that is which is that means see methods. Yes. If you seen that to evaluate the stock or that valuation of the stocks, there are number of methods are available. For example, FIFO method is there, LIFO method is there, HIFO method is there. Yes, so then NIFO method is there. Okay, but for your syllabus purpose there are only two methods. First one is FIFO and another one is LIFO. Yes. So then that's why we learn the only two methods in the detailed manner. Okay. So and for your examination purpose, the problematic question is asked from these two concepts only. Okay. That's why we learn this two only. Then see next. First one method is among that methods. See FIFO. FIFO means first in, first out. Yes. First in, first out. Then what it says, see, under this method, which method? The FIFO method, materials are issued first. Yes. So what it says, the materials are issued first or issued first. Yes. That means which materials are issued first, they are issued first. Yes. So that means which materials are purchased first. That means which raw materials are purchased first, that raw materials are issued first to production department. Yes. So if you go through the example, then it will be clear. Yes. See, if there is a small scale industry, there is no any departments. Yes. But suppose if you taken as a large scale industries, there are number of departments and each department assigned there the separate task or separate works. Okay. So among that here two essential departments are required. So one is that is purchasing department. Yes. Another one is productional department. Yes. First of all, the purchase department purchase the raw materials. Yes. So that purchase department, its duty is what? The purchasing of what? The raw materials. Then after the purchasing raw materials, which this purchase department stores that into the warehouses or godowns. Yes. Then after what happens? How much units are required for the production department? That much units of raw material is survived to whom? To the production department. Yes. That means which materials are what? In this concept, in the FIFO method, which materials are purchased first or which materials are issued first, that materials are what? Issued first. To whom? To the production department. For which purpose? To produce the finished product. Okay. So this is the concept under the valuation of inventories. Yes. So valuation of inventories, that is essential for the purpose of to reduce the wastefall of the materials. Okay. Yes. Then see what it says that the under this method the materials issued first are issued first after this after the first lot of material purchased is over. Yes. What it says, after the first lot of material purchased is over or exhausted, then the next lot is taken up for issue. Yes. That means the first lot, when the first lot is completed, then after the second lot is taken for the issue. Yes. For example, for this concept, the suitable example is that take a Mazda Industries. Yes. But suppose the purchasing department purchases the raw materials, that is a mango. Yes. Mango is a raw material. Yes. Then from that the production department produce the what? The Mazda. Yes. Then after, see here, the mango is what? Which type of goods? The perishable goods. Yes. So perishable goods, that means which should not be kept in the stores or go down or warehouses for the long duration, that should be issued first. Okay, that's why this method is applied in where, in the production concept. Okay, so that means which mangoes are purchased first, that are issued first to production department for produce the finished product which is that the masa. Yes, so like that, the he says that after the first lot of material is purchased, is exhausted, the next lot is taken up for issue. Yes, the next lot is taken up for which purpose? For the issue. Yes, this is about the what? The paper method. Then another important method is the LIFO. Yes, then LIFO is ultimately the reverse of that FIFO. That means the LIFO is opposite method of which method? The FIFO method. Yes, so what it means in last in first out. Yes, so this is a very essential. Then sometimes the question will be asked in the 2 marks question. That means expand the FIFO and LIFO. Yes, that's why we have to expand it. Okay, then see the last in first out. Then after, this method is opposite of FIFO method. Yes, which method? The LIFO, last in first out method is opposite or reverse of what? The FIFO method. Then under this method, this means here LIFO method. Under this method or under LIFO method, the last, yes, the last or latest, as soonly purchased materials are issued what? Here see the last or latest purchased are issued first to the production. Yes. So that means which materials are purchased soonly or at the lastly, that materials are what? The issued first. Okay, so this concept is arises in the inventory valuation. Then here one question is arises. Then we know that the what is inventory. Yes, then about that also the methods of that valuation of inventories. Yes, then for this purpose which account is required, that is a question mark. Yes, so very simple. See, for this concept, that means for the valuation of inventories, one account is maintained. That account is properly known as the stores ledger account. Yes, the stores ledger account. Yes, so and who keep or who maintains the stores ledger account, that party is known as the storekeeper. Yes, so that party is known as what? The storekeeper. And see, before that, this is one important part for your examination. Yes, so 2 marks, maybe 2 marks question asked from this concept. That means what do you mean by store ledger account? Yes, why? Because this is an essential concept. Okay, we have to prepare this account for the valuation of inventories under this both method or this FIFO as well as LIFO method. Yes. So then see the what is the meaning of that stores ledger account. See, stores ledger account is a ledger account. Yes, stores ledger account is what? The ledger account maintained by the storekeeper. Yes, maintained by the storekeeper. That means the party who maintains the stores ledger account, that party or that person is known as the storekeeper. Yes, so that is storekeeper, in order to maintain in order to maintain. What to maintain? To inventories. Yes. In order to maintain inventory of goods. Inventory of goods, it consists of detail regarding, it consists of, which consists, the store's ledger account consists, what consists? The details regarding receipts. Receipts, that means purchases and issues, that means supplies for production or sales. Yes, this is for purchases or supplies or receipts or issues. For which purpose? For the production as well as sales purpose. Yes. So then this is about the brief meaning about the inventory, LIFO method and stores ledger account. And from the this concept, the 1-2 marks question is compulsory. Yes. So then take it that. Then after, in the next class, we'll learn with the one problematic